Alright, so today I'm going to show you guys how I make a little extra cash. Head on over to sunlu.com. Sunlu.com. Now, this is a website that sells 3D printers, 3D printer supplies, and all kinds of stuff. So you got all kinds of different types of filament that you can get. They've got their 2 3D printers that they produce and 3D pens. I don't know if you guys know what those are, so I'll show you real quick. You can do all kinds of cool stuff with them. Neat little stuff like that. Personally, I'd use it to repair my 3D models that I would make with my 3D printer. They also have their filament dryer. And, oops, of course, I click it. No, I did it again. Ah! And if you do resin printers, they have this little guy that has a spinning pedestal and UV light. Now all these guys, they have a affiliate program. And now I haven't made a whole ton of money, so don't judge me. I don't do it too often and you only get what you put in, you know? But it's free to sign up. And I made $10.23 and I have pending $16 more. So I'm gonna post my network link. So what you guys will be doing is either copying this, which is your affiliate link, which is your default one, and posting it on websites, giving it to people, and they'll get 10% off pretty much everything in the shop. And you will earn, I believe, I think it's 4%. Yes, 4% commission. So every $100 you get $4. It's not bad. Now you can make specific links. You just go into their page, find specific stuff, and put it in there. And then hit generate. It'll give you a new code. And then you can, post it wherever you want for a specific thing. And you can also do this one. Oh, that's the wrong one. It's this one. Source. So you can put in Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, so you know which links get however many clicks. And in here you can track everything. And let's see. Go back a bit. This is what I've done so far. 185 clicks. $656.02 in sales. And that's spread out over 11 orders. They have some other stuff in here. You get to see how much sold and all that stuff, and then you can even go in and see what they bought, which this one was 10 rolls of PLA Plus, which earned me $5.17, and it took $14 off for them. Yeah, it's not bad. I'm not gonna click payment because you'll see my stuff. What? Oh, they also have marketing tools like flyers and banners and all that stuff. And cutting this out. Oh. And then they also have a tutorial for getting started real quick. Whew. Yeah, anyways, in the description I will have my link so you guys can sign up. And I hope you guys make a lot of money. Let me know if you guys do this already or if you want to do it or you're gonna sign up. Let me know. I am curious. Anyways, you guys have a good night. I'll probably get back to some regular content here again soon. And I hope you guys have a good one. Like, subscribe.